Our planet, Earth, is teeming with life. You can find traces of it everywhere you look. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, life thrives in countless forms. This diversity is a testament to the incredible power of life to adapt and flourish. Have you ever wondered how this amazing variety of life came to be? Scientists have dedicated their lives to unraveling this mystery. How did life begin on a lifeless planet billions of years ago? What were the first steps in this incredible journey? By piecing together evidence from geology, chemistry, and biology, scientists have made significant strides in understanding the processes that led to the emergence of life. These processes provided the fundamental building blocks from which all life arose. We will explore the prevailing theories about how life arose from non-living matter and the key milestones that paved the way for the remarkable diversity of life we see today. These theories shed light on the very origins of life as we know it. Join me as we embark on an extraordinary journey through time to uncover the secrets of life's beginnings. This journey will help solve one of the universe's greatest mysteries. To understand how life began, we must first travel back billions of years to the early Earth. Imagine a planet vastly different from the one we know today. A hot, volcanic world with a toxic atmosphere and no protective ozone layer to shield it from the sun's harsh radiation. While seemingly inhospitable, this chaotic environment provided the raw materials and energy sources necessary for life's first building blocks to form. Life as we know it is built upon complex molecules, primarily proteins and nucleic acids like DNA and RNA. Scientists believe that the early Earth's atmosphere and oceans contained a rich soup of simple organic molecules such as amino acids, sugars, and nitrogenous bases. Experiments like the famous Miller-Urey experiment in the 1950s showed that amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, could form spontaneously under conditions that simulated the early Earth's atmosphere. These groundbreaking experiments provided compelling evidence that life's basic ingredients could have arisen from non-living matter on the early Earth. While we have a good understanding of life's building blocks and the conditions on early Earth, the process by which these building blocks came together to form the first life remains a profound mystery. Several prominent theories attempt to explain this transition from non-living to living matter. One leading contender is the RNA world hypothesis. This theory proposes that RNA, not DNA, was the primary carrier of genetic information in early life. Another theory suggests that life arose in hydrothermal vents, underwater volcanoes that spew hot, mineral-rich fluids. Although a definitive answer remains elusive, investigating the origins of life continues to inspire scientists from diverse disciplines. Chapter 5. The RNA World Hypothesis, a stepping stone to DNA. This hypothesis offers compelling clues into the origin of life. The RNA World Hypothesis provides a convincing solution to a classic chicken and egg problem. Which came first, DNA or proteins? Which came first, DNA or proteins? This question puzzled scientists for many years. DNA, the blueprint of life, needs proteins to replicate, but proteins are coded by DNA. It's a circular puzzle. RNA, like DNA, can store genetic information, but it can also fold into complex shapes and catalyze chemical reactions like proteins. This makes RNA quite unique. This dual functionality suggests that RNA could have played both roles in early life, as a carrier of genetic code and as a self-replicating machinery. This RNA world could have eventually given rise to DNA, a more stable molecule for storing genetic information. DNA, with its double helix structure, provided a more reliable way to copy and transmit genetic information with fewer errors. This was a major leap forward in the evolution of life. Chapter 6. The first cells. Life finds a home. The emergence of self-replicating molecules was a crucial step, but the real leap towards life occurred with the formation of the first cells. Cells, the fundamental units of life, provide a stable environment, separated from the outside world by a membrane. The first cells were simple, single-celled organisms known as prokaryotes. These cells lacked a nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles found in more complex cells. They likely obtained energy from their surroundings through simple chemical reactions, much like some bacteria do today. These early cells, though primitive, were remarkably successful, spreading throughout the primordial oceans and adapting to new environments. Chapter 7. Photosynthesis, breathing life into the planet. The early Earth's atmosphere was very different from the air we breathe today. The emergence of photosynthesis, a process where organisms use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars and oxygen, was a pivotal event in Earth's history. The first photosynthetic organisms, likely similar to modern-day cyanobacteria, harnessed the power of sunlight to produce their own food. This process released oxygen as a byproduct, gradually transforming Earth's atmosphere. The rise of oxygen in the atmosphere allowed for the evolution of aerobic respiration, paving the way for the evolution of larger, more complex life forms. Chapter 8. The Rise of Eukaryotes. Complexity takes shape. For billions of years, prokaryotes were the dominant life forms on Earth. Then, something extraordinary happened. The emergence of eukaryotes, cells with a nucleus containing their DNA and other membrane-bound organelles. The prevailing theory for the origin of eukaryotes is endosymbiosis. This theory proposes that one prokaryotic cell engulfed another prokaryote, likely a bacterium capable of aerobic respiration. With their compartmentalized structure and increased energy production, eukaryotic cells allowed for greater complexity and diversity. Chapter 9. From single cells to multicellular life, a giant leap. For billions of years, life on Earth existed solely as single-celled organisms. Then, in another remarkable leap, multicellular life evolved. The transition from single cells to multicellular organisms was a gradual process involving cooperation and specialization among cells. Multicellularity opened up new possibilities for life, leading to the incredible diversity of plants, animals, and fungi we see today. Chapter 10. Conclusion. Life's unending journey. The story of life's origins is a testament to the power of scientific inquiry. From the self-assembly of simple molecules to the evolution of complex cells and multicellular organisms, life's journey has been one of constant adaptation, innovation, and diversification. Evolution is an ongoing process, and life continues to adapt and change in response to new challenges and opportunities. Chapter 11. Looking ahead, the search for life beyond Earth. Understanding the origins of life on Earth has profound implications for the search for life beyond our planet. By studying the conditions that gave rise to life on Earth, scientists can narrow the search for potentially habitable environments in the universe. The discovery of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments on Earth, has broadened our understanding of the limits of life. As we continue to explore the universe and unravel the mysteries of life's origins, we may one day discover that we are not alone.